We're obsessed with this chimichurri sauce and can't stop spooning it over everything. It's incredible with roasted veggies, juicy chicken, and steak.
We really do add this to just about everything.
Chimichurri sauce is all about fresh, vibrant flavors. Start by roughly chopping a shallot and tossing it into your food processor along with 3 to 4 garlic cloves and pulse until they're finely chopped. We're making ours in a food processor for speed, but you can absolutely do this by hand if you prefer a more rustic texture. Next, add a mountain of fresh parsley leaves, about 2 cups worth, along with a half teaspoon of dried oregano and some salt. Pulse again until the parsley is nicely chopped. Now for the good stuff. Measure a half cup of your best olive oil and a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Then for a little heat, you can use pepper flakes, or if you love that fresh chili flavor, finely chop one and add it in. Pulse, being careful not to overdo it. We want to keep some of that texture. And there you have it, fresh, unbelievably delicious, homemade chimichurri sauce.